Can I build a fully functional website in less than 10 minutes using AI? In this video, I'm putting Framer AI to the test to see how quickly I can go from idea to website, and honestly, the results were quite surprising. So, Framer AI is an AI powered website builder where you can start with templates or you can start from scratch and give it a prompt where it will build the website. So today we're going to use the wireframe feature. The wireframe feature allows you to put the prompt of the kind of website you're looking for, give it some ideas around style and the sections you require, click generate, and after a few moments you will start to see the wireframe automatically autocomplete across the page just like magic. Page is now filling out with the sections that we asked for in the prompt, and it's automatically creating copy. Now this is huge because it gives you a rough idea of how the layout is going to look across web, mobile and tablet. And now from your final layout, what you can do is start tweaking the design. So you can change the individual areas of copy here, or you can now start changing the design. So for instance, you can add different sections, you can add different menus, navigation, you can add different media types in like images. See, we've just added an image where we're going to add the logo for our website, and you can just drag and drop and delete items here as you see fit. The next part will be looking at adding some color to the design. So we can select sections and we can add backgrounds. Here we're adding gradient backgrounds to make a transparent sort of sky blue effect behind the hero banner. We'll update the text to make sure it is also visible. And now we'll start deleting some of the areas that the wireframe has added in. It's added some icons that we don't want. It's made that sign up to waiting list section longer. We can then add media types from the insert menu where we'll add different images into each of these hero sections explaining the app's features, and we'll populate them with images we've previously created from ChatGPT. We'll start to tweak the design ever so slightly, just working on those images and making small adjustments to the layout so that the design looks how we want it to look. We will start to add that gradient that we added at the top to the bottom of the page, just so the design runs consistently across the page. But you can sort of see as I build this page out here, how easy and how quick it is to add some of these design elements. The goal was to create a really simple landing page website, and we've been able to do that really quickly. We're just finishing off making sure the colors and the backgrounds are consistent on this page, and then we can preview the page to see how it looks. It's created a really clean, really simple landing page. This is a final result. It took a little bit more tweaking, but still under the 10-minute goal that we had for this project. So yes, this was a simple design, but Framer has way more capabilities, as you can see here. You can add various design elements, forms, interactive components like sliders, carousels, tickers, social buttons, and you can also use the AI feature to design your own HTML based elements to add to your pages. So the final verdict was Framer was really impressive, especially building the wireframe from the prompt. The AI worked really well. It captured all the sections I wanted and filled the page with relevant copy, which is really important too. I was able to build a landing page design really quickly and publish that. So within a matter of 10 minutes, I was able to get a website live. Now, if I wanted to create something a little bit complex, I would probably need to spend some more time with the tool. And if you wanted to do some more complicated designs, you might want to spend time looking at the marketplace where they have a bunch of different plugins and components that can add a bit more sophistication to a website. But for a landing page design or a portfolio website, it was really easy to get something up and running, and I was really impressed with Framer's AI capabilities. Give it a go today and let me know how you get on.